Jennifer, don't leave me. Oh no, I will not tell me later. Give them. Ude. That's all. Hey, I catch you. I catch you. I catch you in camera. Shortest space there. Oh, let's go to beach. Oh God. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go buy tickets.
Okay, put this in right there. You feel me shoe?
Put off his Oh yeah, hold my camera for me. Hold on. Since you not get any work, what they do? I'll be like, tell me later. Hey. I'll be like, tell me later. Voila, not too much like this. Hey. We are in Como City in Italy. That's on period. No, go this side now. Not this side though.
First quarter.
This is Como vacation place. Everybody come here to come and shop. Why you laugh? All the whole country they come here to come enjoy, go see water. Let's go and enjoy ourselves. Like and share this video, please.
It's pretty cheap actually, but because you're dividing it by
Not be even this side. Okay, now this side. We can't go inside that place.
No, not for sure.
Now not be we for sure tomorrow. Jennifer, they even they eat safe. Man, carry one man chop. Come and join us. No, because they want me. So guys, this is the place you buy ticket for you to enter the boats. That's the river there. So it's a big bag.
yeah.
Most of the people that is in this place, all of them are English that they speak. See people? See people? So now here they sell tickets. How the place full? Which time person go take? Which time go take rich person turn today? Mamma mia! See people full. Yeah, see queue.
Not queue of the letter.
But the queue menu. Now what? Hey, hey. oh. So guys, we came to swimming pool because that boat, the line where they there too much. I beg before person go stay for a size of black like charcoal. We don't reach fishing now. Oh, I cannot go and bathe. Let me go and bathe. Yeah, now be swimming pool. We are here in the swimming pool. We'll stay here. Yeah, it makes sense. So.
You like it?
More going to swimming pool.
You like it?
More go find where keep our property. See that place where I see more go that time, Jennifer, more go that place where I see more go keep our this for that place. See and that place for that place. Nobody did there. Hey. Oh yeah, snap me. Hot and I go put water for my head though. It's not children said this girl said not children said it go go. You cause sit down for here cause they chop. I want follow you sit down, not be short. Jesus.
I don't put your weight.
Guys, I'm so sorry I could not able to vlog through my stay in the swimming pool and all that. Yeah, so this place is a beach and there's a swimming pool inside the beach. So I wanted to go with that boat, that driving boat and all that, but the queue was just too much, very too much. Maybe if we stay there, it will be 3 hours or 4 hours before you will get to our turn. Even 5 hours safe, we can stay up to 5 hours there. So that's how when I go to the swimming pool, because my phone is already done already and all that. So this is just the next day, which is on Wednesday, because we have been in holiday for 2 days now. So there is public holiday here in Italy, which is August, which is called Ferragosto and all that. So we just went out, me and all these friends, we just went out to go and have some fun. So the next day, because I have not prepared anything for the new week, so we are just be eating anything we see. So this morning I decided to early in the morning when I woke up in the morning, I went to go and bring out this bitter leaf. I brought it out, put water so that it will soak, like it will melt before I start cooking and all that. Both the fish, the meat. If not, we will not eat today. And Obi is starting work by 2 o'clock. We have to leave the house by 1:30. So I need to prepare the food before Obi goes to work and all that. So, and that's just basically for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the previous vlog and this. If you have not followed this channel, please do well to follow this channel. Like and share, okay? Like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. A lot of enjoyment yesterday, so our dirty dog food as usual. So that soup you saw just now, this is what it looks like. You see before it's very, very, very light. See, now it's over, like very, very thick. I don't even like the way it's very thick like this. So this is what my soup looks like. This is Banga black soup, okay? So if it's you, what are you eating this with? Are you eating this with pando yam? What are you eating it with? Or akpu or fufu, whatever. So me, I'm eating mine with starch. Yes, starch. So I like this banga and bitter leaf soup. I like it so much. That my husband friend that we went together, he always call it washing asset. Then when me and my husband we are not married, when we are living together, then if he comes to our place to come and eat, we say peculiar, hey, una get washing asset. I say I don't know that black soup is really washing asset because it's a little bit bitter, but if you mix it with banga, it will not be bitter like that. And guys, come and join me. Like my phone off yesterday. My phone off yesterday when I was vlogging. iPhone go only disgrace you. If you like, no carry power bank for nobody. No carry power bank. And yeah now, like since I've been in this country, I don't use power bank. Guys, come and join me. Let me not talk. Onika, come, catch up, oh. This is what we are eating. Stash. I just want this one. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm always here first because Obi know they always they come out. See you guys on my next one. I love you. So sweet. When last did you eat black soup? When last did you eat black soup and starch? If I eat this food now, I'll go sleep. What's the time now? It's about after 12, almost to 1. I'll go and sleep so that I can rest well for in the evening.